I am here filled with tears, realizing you've held all the fears. Even though you're so small, you've been so strong to hold it all. I wanted to save you from all the bad, to give you what you never had. But all I did was make a mess, for this sin I must redress. I didn't mean to take away, or cause you not to stay. I was doing what I was taught, without giving it a second thought. I should have listened to you first. I was driven by unquenched thirst. I don't want to make that mistake again. It's more important that you're my friend. I didn't mean to hurt you so bad. I didn't mean to make you mad. I miss the wisdom you have shown. Without you I feel so alone.